In real BIM projects, everything starts with the correct template. If you select the wrong one, your entire workflow gets affected. So in this session, we will learn how to create a new Revit project, how to select the correct template based on disciplines, and how to save and reopen the project properly. So let's start. Let's create a new project. So first open the Revit, whatever version you have, and this process is same for any version. So I'm using Revit 2026. Once you land on the Revit home screen, under models, you will find a new button. So click it. Revit will give you a new dialog box. The name is new project. So under new project dialog box, click under browse. Now you will see Revit will prompt you multiple templates. So why this templates is very important in Revit? You cannot create a project without a template. And template is the base of your project, and template contains predefined settings like units, levels, default views, basic settings. For example, just click the back button here. You will find two folders. One is English, another one is English Imperial. So English, under you will find all the project templates are designed for metric templates like meter, millimeter, centimeter, and click back. And under US Imperial, so all the project templates are based on feet and inches. Now let's create three different projects. One is for architecture, another one is for structure, and MEP. For creating architectural project, the suitable template which you can select is commercial default, residential default, or you can also create a simple one, default.rte. Let us say I'm just creating architectural project file first using default template. Select the default template, default.rte, click open, and under create new, select project. This is important, and you can see the selected default RTE is highlighting here. Now click OK. That's it. You have created successfully the architectural project now, and the project name is project 1. And you can see there are certain elevations, north elevation, east elevation, and that is the same is been updating here. And once you go to any of the elevation, you can see different levels, level 1, level 2. We have not created this since we are using a template file. So the template file is giving some predefined settings, predefined options. So this is the importance of using a Revit template file, and without selecting a template file, you are not being able to create any Revit file. So let us quickly create two more projects, one for structure and another for MEP. So for selecting that, go to home toggle, click, and again go to models, click on new button, and click on browse. This time, let us create structural template. So select structural analysis default. So this could be a suitable template. Click open, and the template is getting highlighted here. Under create new option, there will be two options. So don't forget to select the project. So we are creating a new project, right? So click OK. And now you can see a new structural project is created using the structural template for in the name of project 2. Now let's quickly create one more project for MEP. So again, models, new, click on browse. Now the suitable template you can select as electrical, you can select mechanical, plumbing. So this could be a three different templates. But what if you want to create one single MEP model under which you have all mechanical, electrical, and plumbing setting? For that, one has to select systems default template. You can note it down. So select systems default for combined MEP projects and click on open and select the projects, click OK. Now the MEP project is successfully created. We have created three different projects. This is project 1 for architecture, level 2 for, project 2 is for structure, and again project 3 is MEP. Now let's quickly learn how to save a project. So once you have created a new project, then go to files. Under file, you will find save. The shortcut is Ctrl plus S. So click save, and you have to choose any folder location in your system. So let us say I will go to downloads. Let us create a new folder here, and let's call this as Revit project files. Double click it and change the name from project to architecture model. And under options, if you want to create multiple backups of this project, you can enter. By default, Revit will select 3, but I am changing it to 1. I don't want any backups. Click OK and click save. The project name is getting changed to the architectural model. So this project is saved. Let's quickly save another projects like structure and MEP. So project 2 is structure, right? Go to files, save, select the desired folder location. Again, I'm going to my computer, downloads, Revit project file. You can select any locations. Again, most important, you can also select the backups, how many backups you want. Click OK. And now change the name from project 2 to structure model. Again, click on save button. So architecture and structure is saved. Now you can also see the name is getting changed to structure model. Let's quickly save the MEP. Files, save, change the name to MEP model. Under options, change it to 1, click OK, click save. That's it. We have saved all the three projects, architecture, structure and MEP. Now after saving all the three projects, I will just simply close the project by clicking the close button here. So you can see now I will close structure model. Now the only model open is MEP model. Again, I will close that. Now the question is how to reopen all the saved models, right? Now, before I will show you how to reopen a model, saved model. This video is part of a complete Revit crash course and I have created a full playlist for this. Make sure to check the playlist, and if you want regular updates, don't forget to subscribe so YouTube can recommend these videos to you on my upcoming videos on the same course. Now let's quickly see how to reopen the projects. Just simply go to models and click on open. That's it. Now you have to hover over your folder location under my computer, where I have saved under downloads, Revit project files, and you will find all the three projects, architecture, structure and MEP. Let's quickly open architecture model. Click open. So this is one way of opening a project under your home screen under open. But what if I have already opened this project? You can also have different ways. The second method is go to your file menu, click open and select you want to open a project. Okay. And now let's open structure model. Click open. See, the structure model is getting open by different method. And there is another method. Go to your home toggle screen. Under recent files, you can also find whatever the recent projects you have worked. Here you can directly see your MEP model. Simply click that. And now you can see the MEP model is also getting reopened. So now you can see MEP model is open, structure model is open, and the architecture model is open. I hope you really like this video on creating, saving and reopening a Revit project file or Revit model. If you want more content like this, then don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment whatever the doubts you have on Revit. I will try to create a video and try to publish as soon as possible. Thank you. See you on next video on the same course. Thank you.